Hello everyone, welcome back to Winsome Digital Platform of Winsome International School. Today we are having our practice session based on class 6 SOF series and we were on chapter number 3, separation of substances. Let's practice some questions on this chapter. Starting with the first question. First question is, which of the following statements are correct? हमें बतानी है correct statement कौन सी है. See, mixture is obtained by dissolving a solute in a solvent and is called a solution. Correct statement. A solution which can dissolve more solute is called saturated. No. ऐसा solution जिसके अंदर हम we can't dissolve फर्दर सोल्यूट हम नहीं मिला सकते और ज्यादा सोल्यूट हम नहीं उसमें डिसॉल्व कर सकते, उसको हम सैचुरेटेड बोलते हैं. जिसमें हम और ज्यादा डिसॉल्व कर सकते हैं उसको हम सैचुरेटेड नहीं, उसको हम डाइल्यूट बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. The components of a mixture retain their properties. जो मिक्सचर के components होते हैं उनकी properties जो होती है वो retain कर सकते हैं वो. Yes, correct statement. Mixture having some composition throughout is called same composition throughout is called heterogeneous. No, a mixture which is having same composition throughout is known as homogeneous mixture. This is wrong statement. We had to find out the correct statement. Correct is first and third. First and fourth only wrong. Second and third only wrong. First, second and third only wrong. D, first and third only correct. So the answer is D. So let's come to the next question. The next question is, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. हमें correct option select करना है. First option is iodine and sand. Which method can be used to separate them? As iodine shows sublimation properties, वो sublimation करता है. It will convert from solid state to water vapors. We can separate it we can separate it by the process of sublimation. Alcohol and water can be separated by fractional distillation. Kerosene oil and water को separate करने के लिए separating funnel का हम use कर सकते हैं, जिसमें separating funnel में oil की layer ऊपर होगी और water की layer नीचे होगी. Now see, iron and sand and iron nails. Iron nails will show magnetic properties, so we can separate it with magnetic separation. Now, which option is matching? See, P third, P second, P first, eliminated. Now see, P third, correct. Q1, correct. R is second, R is fourth, wrong. R is second, correct. And S is fourth. So C is the correct option. Yes. Coming to the next one. Next one is, which of the following types of mixture can be separated by hand picking? हम hand picking से कौन से mixture को separate कर सकते हैं? Solid and solid mixture which have different size and colors. Yes. अगर different size है, different colors है और solid का mixture है तो हम कर सकते हैं. Solid and solid mixture with same size and color? No. Same size होगा, same color होगा, we will not be able to identify both the components. हमें दोनों components हम identify नहीं कर पाएंगे. Wrong. Solid and solid mixture, both solids being soluble in water. दोनों soluble होने चाहिए water में. It is not necessary. ऐसा जरूरी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि दोनों soluble हो तो हम कर सकते हैं. This is not the correct statement, like incorrect. Now see, solid liquid mixture, solid and liquid का mixture, solid being heavier. कि हम hand picking can only be done in the mixture which is having both the components in solid state में होंगे तभी हम hand picking use कर सकते हैं. This is also wrong. Now which is the correct statement? We had to select the mixture can be separated by hand picking. Which of the one can be separated? Only first one. First and fourth only wrong. Second and third only wrong. First only correct. Third only wrong. So the answer is C. Coming to the next question. Next question is, which of the following statement are incorrect? हमें बतानी है गलत statement कौन सी है. Lighter husk particles are separated from heavier grains by thrashing. जो lighter particles होते हैं उनको हम thrashing की help करके thrashing process से हम उनको separate कर सकते हैं heavier grain से. No, we can't do this by, we can do winnowing. हम winnowing कर सकते हैं. For this process we can do winnowing, not thrashing. A mixture of two miscible liquids can be separated by separating funnel. Two miscible liquids कौन से होंगे? जो आपस में घुल जाते हैं. Separating funnel में अगर दोनों liquids हमारे घुले हुए हैं तो हम उनको separating funnel से उनको नहीं कर सकते, अलग अलग नहीं separate कर सकते. This is wrong. Loading is done to make suspended particles lighter. Suspended particles को heavy बनाने के लिए use होता है loading, ना कि lighter बनाने के लिए. This is also wrong. Now see, two liquids always form a homogeneous mixture. दो liquids हमेशा homogeneous mixture बनाएंगे? No. जरूरी नहीं है, heterogeneous mixture भी बना सकते हैं, homogeneous mixture भी बना सकते हैं. As oil and water are example of heterogeneous mixture. So this is also wrong. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the statements are incorrect. First, second and third only wrong. First only wrong. First, second and fourth only wrong. First, second, third, fourth. Oh, yes, correct. All the statements are incorrect. Coming to the next question. Next question is, what happens when a mixture of sand and camphor powder is heated? Sand is camphor will show sublimation. We know that camphor क्या show करेगा? Sublimation property show करेगा, right? Correct. Now see, what we will do, what will happen, क्या होगा? Camphor will show sublimation properties, उसका sublimation होगा. Now see, what is the mixture? Sand plus camphor, right? हमने कॉटन से उसको कवर कर दिया. Now are you able to see this deposition? ये deposition आपको visible है. ये deposition किसका होगा? कैम्फर का ही होगा, because sublimation होगा. It will get converted into vapors directly from the solid state, right? And this is the burner. Now see, camphor powder is left in china dish. No. चाइना डिश जो है इसको बोल रहे हैं, दिस इज द चाइना डिश. ये वाला जो है हमारा जिसके अंदर हमने मिक्सचर को रख रखा है, दिस वन इज द चाइना डिश. तो चाइना डिश में कैम्फर नहीं रहेगा, सैंड रहेगा, बिकॉज कैम्फर अपनी वेपर्स बना के वो इवेपोरेट हो जाएगा एंड इट विल गेट डिपॉजिटेड हियर. यहाँ पे डिपॉजिटेड हो जाएगा कैम्फर. नाउ सी, सैंड इज लेफ्ट इन द चाइना डिश. करेक्ट, सैंड बचेगी चाइना डिश में. यस, बिकॉज कैम्फर जो हमारा सैंड है, इट विल नॉट शो सब्लिमेशन प्रॉपर्टीज, वो कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा वेपर्स में एंड इट विल रिमेन इन द चाइना डिश, राइट? करेक्ट. कैम्फर गेट्स डिपॉजिटेड ऑन द आउटर कॉर्नर ऑफ द फनल. आउटर कॉर्नर में नहीं होगा, दिस इज द इनर कॉर्नर ऑफ द फनल, बिकॉज बाहर कैसे आएगा? यू कैन सी द कॉटन हियर, वी हैव कवर्ड द माउथ. दिस इज द इनर कॉर्नर, दिस इज द इनर कॉर्नर ऑफ द फनल. This is the inner corner of the funnel, right? And camphor will get deposited here. यहाँ पे camphor deposit होगा, ना कि outer corner पे deposit होगा. This is incorrect. Now sand gets deposited on the inner cold surface of the funnel. यहाँ पे sand deposit हो रही है? No, I already talked about this is camphor. So which is the correct answer? B is the correct option. Coming to the next question. So let's come to the next question. The next question says which of the following statements are correct. हमें बतानी correct statement कौन सी है? Filter paper is used to separate pebbles and stones from sand. No, we can't use filter paper to separate sand from stones and pebbles, because हमें अगर sand को stones और pebbles से अलग करना है, we can use sieve, है ना? हम सीव का यूज कर सकते हैं, बट वी कांट यूज फिल्टर पेपर. फिल्टर पेपर को हम जब यूज करेंगे जब हमें सैंड और वाटर को अलग अलग करना हो. वी हैव टू सेपरेट सैंड एंड वाटर, सॉइल एंड वाटर, देन वी कैन यूज फिल्टर पेपर. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. आयरन कैन बी आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम आयरन सल्फाइड बाय अ मैग्नेट. क्या हम आयरन को सेपरेट कर सकते हैं? नो, बिकॉज आयरन मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी शो तो करता है, बट when आयरन फॉर्म्स आयरन सल्फाइड, जब आयरन सल्फाइड बना लेगा तो अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज को लूज कर देगा. वो अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज को लूज कर देगा, वो अपनी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज को लूज कर देगा. इसलिए हम नहीं सेपरेट कर सकते आयरन को मैग्नेट की हेल्प से आयरन सल्फाइड में. नाउ डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस हैव डिफरेंट सॉल्युबिलिटी इन अ फिक्स्ड क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर. यस, डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस अलग अलग होते हैं, उनकी अलग अलग सॉल्युबिलिटी होती है इन अ गिवन फिक्स अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. This is correct. Substance that settle down at the bottom of a liquid is called sediment. Yes, we already took the example of sand and water. जब sand नीचे settle down हो जाती है water में, then the sand is known as sediment. Now, this is also correct. Which is the correct statement? Third and fourth? Second and third? Wrong. Third and fourth only? Correct. Yes. What is the answer? B is the answer of this question. So let's come to the next question. The next question is, a few mixtures are given below: alloys, air, solution of sugar in water, mist, oil, water mixture and smoke. Which of the following correctly classifies these mixtures? What we have to find? We have to identify the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. See, alloys. If I talk about alloys, it is a homogeneous mixture. If I talk about oil and water mixture, it is a heterogeneous. If I talk about air, it is a homogeneous mixture. And if I talk about smoke, it is heterogeneous mixture. Now, solution of sugar in water is a homogeneous mixture. And mist is a heterogeneous mixture. Let's see which is correctly identifying. See, first, third and fifth are homogeneous mixtures. First, fourth and fifth, wrong. Fourth and sixth, wrong. First, third and fifth, correct. Now let's see heterogeneous mixture. Second, fourth and sixth. Second, fourth and sixth. Yes, the correct option is C. The answer of this question is C. Let's come to the next question. Read the given passage and fill in the blanks by selecting correct option. We have to select the correct option and we have to fill these blanks. First one is used when the components of a mixture have different weights, while second is used when components of mixture have different sizes. See, first one will be, as you can see, it can be winnowing. ये winnowing हो सकता है because इसमें जो होता है components जो होते हैं उनको हम weight के basis पे separate करते हैं. winnowing में lighter particles और heavier particles को. second one जो होगा हमारा वो हो सकता है कि the components का जो है different size के basis पे. हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि अगर हम sieve का use करते हैं, हम sieving method का use करते हैं, then we can say कि sieving method में different sizes की basis पे होता है separation, like the smaller particles which are smaller in size, the particles which are smaller in size will pass through the sieve, and the particles which are bigger in size will remain in the sieve, right? So this can be sieving. Third one is dash is used to separate two immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids है यानी कि दो ऐसे liquids जो आपस में mix नहीं हो रहे. For example, water and oil. We can say the third one can be we can use separating funnel. हम separating funnel का use कर सकते हैं because उसमें दो separate layers हमें दिख जाएंगी, right? Now, next is dash is used to separate two miscible liquids. Miscible liquids है, then only one can be used. One method can be used, that is distillation. Right? Now see, let's see. Thrashing. First one, the first can be thrashing. Second can be winnowing, third can be distillation, and fourth can be sedimentation. Wrong. Next, see, sedimentation, filtration. Sedimentation कर सकते हैं हम first में use, then we can use filtration, evaporation, sieving. Wrong. First one is sieving. No. Centrifugation. No. Filtration, thrashing. Wrong. First is winnowing, second is sieving, third is separating funnel, and fourth is distillation. This is the correct option. D is the correct option. Now, see, which of the following mixtures are correctly matched with their respective method of, we have to find the correct one, which is with their respective method of separation. Okay, let's see. Common salt and camphor can be separated by hand picking? No, camphor will show sublimation properties, so we can separate camphor and common salt with the help of sublimation method only. Wrong. This is wrong. Hand picking हम use नहीं कर सकते इसमें. Iron fillings and sawdust. See, iron fillings will show magnetic properties, so it is better to use magnetic separation in this one, right? This is wrong. Sublimation का हम use नहीं कर सकते. What is the C option? Petrol and water can we separate with separating funnel? Yes, petrol being the lighter will come above the water and we can separate it with the separating funnel. This is the correct. We have already got our answer, but let's see the D option also. Grains and stock. Stock को जब हम grain से अलग करते हैं, we use threshing, not winnowing. हम क्या use करते हैं? Threshing use करते हैं, ना कि हम winnowing. जब हमें grains को husk से separate करना होता है, then we use winnowing. अगर grains को stock से अलग करना है, तो हम threshing का use करेंगे. So what is the correct one? C is the correct option. Let's come to the next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. गलत स्टेटमेंट हमें सेलेक्ट करनी है फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. टू मिजिबल लिक्विड्स कैन बी सेपरेटेड यूजिंग अ सेपरेटिंग फनल. सी, सेपरेटिंग फनल का यूज हम कब करते हैं? जब टू लिक्विड्स आर इमिजिबल, नॉट मिजिबल. दिस इज रॉन्ग. An alloy is a heterogeneous mixture? No, alloy is a homogeneous mixture. Sawdust and water can be separated from their mixture by sedimentation, decantation method. Sawdust को और water को हम separate कर सकते हैं sedimentation and decantation से. Yes, we have already read this. Correct. A mixture having same composition throughout is said to be same composition is said to be homogeneous. Sorry, same composition. The mixture which is having same composition throughout is known as homogeneous. Correct. Now see, we had to find the incorrect statement. First and second is the incorrect. Second and fourth is incorrect. Wrong. First and second is incorrect. We had to find the incorrect, and first and second is incorrect. Correct. We have already got our answer. B is the correct option. Third and fourth, wrong. First and third, wrong. What is the correct answer? B is the correct option. So our next one is Achievers section, hot questions. Let's see. Observe the given figures and select the correct statement. हमें correct statement को select करना है. You can see the first one. First one is distillation, right? First हमारा separating method कौन सा है? Distillation. Second is separating funnel, right? And the third one is centrifugation. Now see, method 1 can be used to separate salt from seawater. हम distillation से salt को sea water से अलग कर सकते हैं. Correct statement. Second one, method 2 is used to separate kerosene and water. Method 2 को हम kerosene और water को separate करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. Correct. Kerosene forms the lower layer? No. Kerosene is an oil and it will form the upper layer. So this is incorrect. Method third can be used to separate platelets from blood plasma. Centrifugation process को हम blood plasma से platelets को separate करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. This is correct statement. Method 2 is used for miscible liquids only. Method 2 immiscible liquids के लिए होता है, ना कि miscible liquids के लिए होता है. This is wrong. Method 1 is used for miscible liquids. Yes. Having very less difference in their boiling points. No. The difference must be high. So this is incorrect statement. What we have to find out? We have to find out the correct statement. हमारा correct statement कौन सा जा रहा है? First and third only. First and third only. A is the correct option. Let's come to the next question. Next question is, Rohit has made a table for separation of components of the given mixtures as follows. Now we have to find the incorrect methods. उसने गलत methods जो बता दी है. C. ग्रेन और स्टॉक्स को सेपरेट करने के लिए हम थ्रैशिंग मेथड का यूज कर सकते हैं. करेक्ट. सॉल्ट एंड वाटर को हम फिल्ट्रेशन से कर सकते हैं. नो, वी कैन यूज डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस फॉर दिस. इवेपोरेशन या डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस को हम यूज कर सकते हैं, फिल्ट्रेशन से नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. वाटर प्लस बटर प्लस मिल्क, बटर प्लस मिल्क का जो मिक्सचर होगा, वी कैन डू दिस बाय सेंट्रिफिकेशन. यस, सेंट्रिफिकेशन इज एंड चर्निंग हम यूज कर सकते हैं मेथड. करेक्ट. सैंड एंड वाटर को हम इवेपोरेशन से नहीं कर सकते. वी हैव टू यूज फिल्ट्रेशन फॉर दिस. सो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. एंड स्टोन प्लस सैंड को हम सिविंग से कर सकते हैं. यस, हम कर सकते हैं. नाउ सी, दीज टू मेथड्स आर इनकरेक्ट एंड दीज ही हैज प्लेस्ड देम इनकरेक्टली. ये गलत हुए में प्लेस इन, बिकॉज इवेपोरेशन से हम सॉल्ट और वाटर को करना चाहिए था और सैंड एंड वाटर को फिल्ट्रेशन से करना चाहिए था. So this we have to find out the incorrect match. Incorrect match is second and fourth only. Second and fourth only. A is the correct option. Let's come to the next question. Next question says, a few mixtures are listed in the box. हमें कुछ mixtures दिए हुए हैं. Read the given passage and fill in the blanks by separating the options. Mixtures P are homogeneous while Q are heterogeneous. Let's find out कि homogeneous कौन से और heterogeneous mixtures कौन से. Kerosene and water is a heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous होता है. Grain plus stock is also heterogeneous mixture. Air is a homogeneous mixture. and sugar solution is a homogeneous mixture. Camphor and sand is a heterogeneous. Right? Now see, if I see which we have already find out हमारे जो homogeneous कौन से mixture जा रहे हैं, third and fourth and fifth. See, हमें third, first and second wrong, eliminated option, ये गया हमारा. Now see, third and fourth जा रहे हैं, yes, third and fourth correct है हमारे. Now see, if I talk about heterogeneous mixture, तो heterogeneous mixture में कौन सा जा रहा है हमारा? Heterogeneous mixture हमारा जा रहा है first, second and fifth. First, second is not mentioned, fifth is mentioned, तो हम consider कर सकते हैं इस option को. Now see, this till now this option is matching correctly. Now see, next is a separating funnel is used to separate mixtures are. हम separating funnel का कब use कर सकते हैं? कब हम यूज कर सकते हैं? हम सिर्फ फर्स्ट केरोसिन और वाटर को हम अलग अलग करने के लिए सेपरेटिंग फनल का यूज कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, फर्स्ट जा रहा है हमारा. नाउ सी, नेक्स्ट इज डैश इज यूज टू सेपरेट मिक्सचर फिफ्थ का मिक्सचर हमें सेपरेट करना है, सब्लिमेशन यूज करेंगे हम. सब्लिमेशन क्यों करेंगे? बिकॉज कैम्फर विल शो सब्लिमेशन प्रॉपर्टीज, इसलिए हम सब्लिमेशन करेंगे. देयर इज द सब्लिमेशन. नाउ सी, नेक्स्ट इज मिक्सचर सेकंड मिक्सचर हमारा कौन सा है? ग्रेन एंड स्टॉक्स. ग्रेन एंड स्टॉक्स कैन बी सेपरेटेड बाय थ्रेशिंग. थ्रेशिंग हमारा सही जा रहा है यहाँ पे. नाउ विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? हमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन कौन सा मैच हो रहा है? बी. बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज observe the following figures carefully and select the correct statement. We have to select the correct statement, हमें select करनी है. Let's see. As if you can get by the diagrams, कौन से processes हैं ये? First one, as you can see in this one, यहाँ पे filter paper आपको visible होगा and you can see the setup also. This is filtration. ये कौन सा process है? Filtration है हमारा. This is filtration. And if I talk about second process, तो second process है हमारा sieving, right? Sieving है. Third process जो हमारा है वो है winnowing. And the last process which is shown here is threshing, right? Now see. Method P is used to separate coconut oil and water. Method P is filtration. Can we separate coconut oil and water with this one? No, हम separate नहीं कर सकते because this process is filtration and we have to use separating funnel to separate oil and water. Now see, method S can be used to separate husk from grains. Method S is this one. We can use threshing? No. Threshing is the process in which we separate the grains from stalk, right? तो अगर यहाँ पे हमें दिया हुआ होता तो मेथड एस नहीं हम बोल सकते, मेथड आर हम यूज कर सकते हैं, winnowing to separate husk from the grains. This is wrong statement. Now see, method R is used to separate grains from stalk. R is used to no, यहाँ पे हमें उल्टा दिया हुआ है कि विनोइंग प्रोसेस को हम नहीं यूज कर सकते ग्रेन्स को सेपरेट करने के लिए स्टॉक से, हम थ्रेशिंग प्रोसेस को यूज कर सकते हैं. This is wrong statement. Pebbles and stones are removed. Pebbles and stones are removed from sand by method Q. Method Q से हम कर सकते हैं. Method Q is this one. Can we separate pebbles and stones by sieving method? Yes, this is correct. Method P can be used to separate mud. Method P is this one. Can we separate mud from muddy water and tea leaves from tea? Yes, हम filtration process को use कर सकते हैं to remove the mud from muddy water because it will get stick to the filter paper. This is correct. Now we had to find out the correct statement. Correct statement हमारी कौन सी है? Fourth and fifth only. Now see, here is the option fourth and fifth only. So D is the correct one. Let's come to the next one. So our next question is, 5 students of class 6 were discussing the topic separation of substances. They gave the following statements. Let's read out the statements. First is Rashmi. Rashmi said, a pure substance does not contain only one type of atom. See, when the substance is pure, it contains only one type of atoms. इसीलिए हम बोलते हैं कि जो हमारा substance है वो pure state में present है. So this is an incorrect statement because she is saying does not. She must have said that a pure substance contains only one type of atoms, then it would be the correct statement. Second, Ravi said soil is an example of homogeneous mixture while petroleum is an example of a compound. See, soil is not a homogeneous mixture, it is a heterogeneous mixture first of all, right? It is a heterogeneous. तो हमारे ये स्टेटमेंट्स तो यहीं पे गलत हो गई. नाउ पेट्रोलियम इज नॉट अ कंपाउंड, इट इज अ मिक्सचर. पेट्रोलियम जो होता है वो मिक्सचर होता है, ना कि कंपाउंड होता है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड अबाउट दिस. नेक्स्ट इज क्रिस्टलाइजेशन इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच heavier particles of an insoluble solid in a liquid settle down. No, crystallization नहीं होता, वो sedimentation होता है वो process. That is not crystallization. This is incorrect statement. Winnowing. Raghav said winnowing is a technique used to separate two solid components in which one is heavier than the other using wind. Yes, this is correct statement कि wind को use करके हम winnowing process करवाते हैं, जिसमें जो heavier particles होते हैं वो direct floor पर गिर जाते हैं and the lighter particles blow away with the wind. So this is the correct statement. Now what Praveen said, miscible liquids can also be separated from each other by fractional distillation. Yes, हम distillation कब करते हैं, जब when two miscible liquids make a mixture. तो जब दो miscible liquids का mixture बनेगा तब हम किससे separate करेंगे उसे? Distillation से. हम fractional distillation भी करवा सकते हैं. This is the correct statement. Now see, we have to find out the incorrect statement. किसने incorrect statement दी है इसमें? Rashmi, Ravi and Karan. Rashmi and Karan only? No. Rashmi, Ravi and Karan only? Yes, B. So the answer of this question is B. Let's come to the next question. Next part is our SOF NSO 2023 questions. Which of the following statements are incorrect? We have to find the incorrect statement. Fat is removed from milk using a separating funnel. Milk से हमें fat को remove करना है. We have to do churning process, not separating funnel. We can't use separating funnel. This is incorrect statement. A mixture containing two miscible liquids can be separated by distillation process. a mixture, ऐसा mixture जिसमें दो miscible liquids होंगे, आपस में घुलने वाले होंगे, can be separated by distillation process. True. Threshing is used to separate husk from grains. No. Threshing is used to separate grains from the stalk, which involves the beating of bundles of grains to remove the husk. This is incorrect statement. Husk को grains से remove करना है, then we use winnowing process, not threshing process. A mixture of sugar powder and naphthalene powder can be separated by sieving. No, if we need to separate a mixture of sugar powder and naphthalene powder, we have to use sublimation process. This is incorrect statement. We had to find the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement कौन सी है हमारी? First, third and fourth. First, third and fourth. Let's see. First and second only wrong. Second and third only wrong. First, third and fourth only C. The C is the correct option. Let's come to the next one. Next question says two liquids P and Q are such that P is miscible while Q is immiscible with water. P and Q can be respectively. See, जो P है हमारा वो क्या है? It is miscible with water. It is miscible with water, while Q is immiscible with water. तो P and Q क्या हो सकता है? Let's see. Now see. Question first one is glycerine and coconut oil. Glycerine is miscible with water. Can we put glycerine here? क्या मैं P की जगह ग्लिसरीन रख सकती हूँ और क्या मैं Q की जगह कोकोनट ऑयल रख सकती हूँ? कोकोनट ऑयल इज इमिजिबल इन वाटर. I can definitely put Q as coconut oil and I can also put glycerine as P because glycerine is miscible with water. So we have already got our answer. The answer is A. हमें यही पूछा था and it is absolutely correct. We can put glycerine in P option because P में हम miscible liquid हमें दिया हुआ है and miscible liquid की मैं बात करूँ तो glycerine is miscible with water while coconut water, not coconut water, sorry, it is coconut oil, while coconut oil is immiscible with water. We have already got our answer. First A is the answer. Let's come to the next question. Next is select the incorrect statement from the following. हमें incorrect statement select करनी है. A solution is said to be super saturated if it contains more amount of solute than the maximum amount that can be dissolved. ट्रू। सुपर सैचुरेटेड का मतलब होता है जितना वो सॉल्यूट, कोई भी सॉल्वेंट जितना सॉल्यूट अपने अंदर डिसॉल्व कर सकता था उससे भी ज्यादा हमने डिसॉल्व कर दिया, दैट वी कैन से कि द सॉल्यूशन इज सुपर सैचुरेटेड। करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट। Iron pins can be separated from sand via magnetic separation. Yes, because iron will show magnetic properties और magnetic separation से हम iron pins को sand से अलग कर सकते हैं. Now see, sugar crystals can be obtained from sugar solution by sedimentation and decantation method. Wrong. Sugar crystals जो होंगे वो present ही नहीं होंगे because sugar gets dissolved with water and we can't separate them by sedimentation and decantation. Now see, threshing can be done to separate husk from grains and pebbles from rice flour. See, अगर हमें threshing is the process in which we separate the grains from stalk, not from the husk. So this is the incorrect statement. We had to find out the incorrect statement. Be aware about these words because question में आपको कई बार correct statement निकालनी होगी और कई बार incorrect. तो हम इसमें confuse होके mostly कई बार correct statement बता देते हैं और हमारा आंसर गलत हो जाता है. So we have to find out the incorrect statement, and which one is the incorrect? Third and fourth only. Which option says third and fourth only? C. So the answer is C. Let's come to the next question. Next question is match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. हमें correct option select करना है. See, mixtures हमें दिए हुए हैं and we have to find out the methods for separation. कौन से methods को हम use करके उन्हें separate कर सकते हैं. If I talk about chalk powder and water can be separated using filtration. Filtration process से हम इसको separate कर सकते हैं. The chalk powder will get stick to the filter paper and the clean water will pour out in the beaker. Right. Next is rice and stone. Rice and stone की मैं बात करूँ, we can do this by hand picking. हम घरों में भी ये करते हैं हमारे रेगुलरली कि हम stones को जब separate करते हैं राइस से तो हम hand picking method का यूज करते हैं. Wheat plus husk की मैं बात करूंगी, then I have to use the winnowing process. Winnowing process से करूंगी मैं, and if I have to separate wheat from the stalks, I will use threshing process जिसमें beat करेंगे हम wooden block से और remove करेंगे. So which is the correct option? Second P. So these both are eliminated. Second का हमारा P का हमारा second option सही जा रहा है. In both of them P is saying second option. Now Q is fourth. Yes, Q is fourth. R is first in this option only. So this is incorrect. R is first and S is third. So the answer of this question is B. So here we are done with our chapter number 6 of class 6th SOF series. We were done with the theory and in this session we completed some questions also. I hope you got the chapter and you got your answers correctly. Now stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.